In this quick video, we're going to fix one of the most common issues in your E90s, your 2004 to 2013 3 Series BMWs, and that's these cup holders here that break really easily. There's a mechanism inside there that allows it to lock into place with a push, to unlock with the same push, and a spring that pushes them out, and they break as you can see here. There's no reason to leave your cup holders non-working. It's an easy fix. It's super cheap. We're going to take care of that right now. First thing you want to do is head over to Amazon and pick up the cup holder. I'll put a link to it below. It's inexpensive, nowhere near the price of OEM, but it works just fine. I've had it for a while, no issues. You want to get to your dash, you want to use some sort of pry tools. If you don't have those, I'll put a link to those as well. Flathead screwdriver works just fine, but you have more of a chance of marring up your dash. So using some sort of plastic tool is the best thing to do. Now with this trim piece, it's important to note there are clips on the extreme ends of this piece of plastic, but towards the center there are two pins that slide into a nylon bushing kind of thing. It's important to know this because when you pull off this trim, in the center you don't want to just pull on it as if it has a clip that's going to pop out. You need to pull it up and pry it up very slowly and gently. You can see here it's barely coming out. Once it pops out, you can see where the pins are and where those blue nylon pieces are. When you put it back in, you'll have to push them in because it's a very tight fit. But once this is off, you see how easy it is to change this cup holder. Just two Phillips head screws. Okay, enough of that music. The trim, when you put it back on, just make sure your clips are still attached. They're not broken or bent out or stuck in the dash. If they are, you want to pop them out and then stick them back onto the trim piece. But getting those clips in, gently pushing those pins back into those nylon housings or bushings or whatever they call them. But that's it. You're done. I like making these videos to show people how easy it is to tackle some of these things on your own at home and to save money while doing it. I'll put the links down below to everything I've used in this video, and if you use the links, I'll earn 17 cents.